It's new construction. What could be wrong? Some might think that since a house was built from scratch, there's no need for a home inspection. They think since it's brand new, nothing could be wrong. But all homes have flaws, even brand spanking new. You might spend more money if the builder or crew has overlooked something, which can happen. New home inspections are very important for the buyer. They can provide key insights into the construction of your new home and a chance to identify problems before it's too late. Home inspectors look at many things during a new construction inspection, including local building codes, and they take into account any special details related to the area, which could vary by city or county. There is a pre-pour inspection, also known as a foundation inspection, where they check the quality of work done before the concrete is poured, and the pre-drywall inspection, which checks the electrical and plumbing before the drywall is installed. Some of the most common issues found in new homes include structural defects like foundation cracks, faulty grading, and poor framing, electrical problems, HVAC system issues, including the thermostat, drainage and grading issues, and plumbing issues. With a new construction home inspection, you can get ahead of your purchase and stop an issue before it can get worse. If one area is not fixed or isn't covered up properly during construction, other areas could possibly have problems later on, making for unpleasant living conditions in what should be an enjoyable time in your new home. This is why we recommend a new construction inspection.